Hi everyone, I'm Andrew from Worth Every Cent Cleaning and welcome to today's 1 minute cleaning tip. Oh, great first impression to any office or home is a great smell, isn't it? So today's tip is around first impressions to a home or office. If you get a little bit of deodoriser or air freshener from your local supermarket and just spray it on the back of a door, just here, when people walk in, that scent is just going to be wafting in their face because you've opened that door, and it's going to leave such a great first impression to any office or home. All our staff do it to all our own premises, and having a nice smell is a great first impression. So that's today's tip. A little bit of air freshener on the back of the door, great first impression. Thanks for watching. Any comments, just leave them below. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.